Oh, that's so good. My version of a Greyhound Mocktail. Greyhound Mocktail, here we are. Hi, I'm Christina Vonte Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my version of a Greyhound Mocktail. This is so simple and easy, and honestly, you can make it at home, and it's also something you could be ordering when you're out at a restaurant with your friends and family, so you're gonna wanna check this out. It's so good, refreshing, light, easy, and fun. Greyhound Mocktail, here we are. Here are the ingredients for my version of a Greyhound Mocktail. First, you need grapefruit juice, then sparkling water, fresh mint, fresh lime, and ice, and that is it. So you can make this at home, or you can just order it at a restaurant. Just tell them you want sparkling water, grapefruit juice, lime, and mint, and they will make it for you, and it will be amazing. First, I wash the mint, and then I'm just gonna get the lime ready. I like to roll my citrus before I cut it, so it's nice and juicy, and I can get all the juice out. So you wanna have some lime for the juice, and also some lime for garnish. Super easy. We're just quartering the lime, so easy. I was just on a trip in Greece with a bunch of friends, and I constantly was ordering this, and then my friends were like, that looks so pretty, I'm gonna try it. And then everybody loved it, and they said, why haven't you made a video for this? And I was like, because it's just a method. I don't even feel like it's a recipe, but they're like, do it. So guess what, I'm doing it. My Greece friends, the Steps of Paul people, you know who you are, you were there. Here's the video, okay? So with cutting the grapefruit, I found it works better if you cut it a little thin, because I'm gonna drop this into my drink. These are huge grapefruits. You can probably buy smaller ones, and they're gonna work just great for this. This is just for garnish. Listen, if you don't have fresh grapefruit at home, you can always just use your grapefruit juice, sparkling water, mint, lime, and you're set. First step is I'm gonna get the ice in there about halfway full. I think that's a good amount of ice right there. Beautiful. Just fill your cup halfway full with the sparkling water, and then the other half with grapefruit juice. And there you go. Then I just like to add as much mint as I can fit in there, but it's up to you how much you want. I'm gonna put some grapefruit slices down in there just for it to be pretty. And then we're gonna give it a nice squeeze of some lime on the top here. Whatever amount of lime you love, I love a lot of it. And then I'm just gonna take my little swizzle stick here. I'm gonna mix it up a bit, put a little bit more mint on here. A little happy, a little bit of grapefruit on the top. Okay, and there you go, my refreshing and delicious Greyhound Mocktail. I hope you check it out. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Oh, that's so good.